Sarah and JP, I'm going to look at your work together. Okay, right away, JP, I can't even look at this. It's really hard to read. It's center justified and it's decorative type. On top of that, it's super contrasty, white on black. So if you're going to, first of all, don't center justify. That's really just for like formal occasions. Your eye has to re-register on every line, and it's a big headache. But on top of that, the contrast, white on black rarely works. It seems to work only on very sharp resolution situations. Anyway, you really want to think about legibility. This is a creative way to show your work, although as far as a color, looking at your color palettes, it's a little bit hard for me to take a good look at them. I do appreciate the unique way you went about this, but at the same time, I need to review your choices. And, you know, these style guide sort of things are usually more standard issues so that at least people can make those decisions. All right, Sarah. Okay, so you're working with Apple. Apple is a challenge because it's a very, their design aesthetic is super high res image and simplicity with one font. So I think you're thinking along the correct lines. Color palettes, I wouldn't blame you if you pick something like the top two. It probably wouldn't hurt to have one highlight, and even then you would, you don't need to go crazy because, for example, if you did color palette number two and then you had this green in there, it would pop like a neon sign. All right, so I like the direction you're going. I think it might help to have, if Roboto Light has bold with it as well, it might be nice to show different weights. But anyway, I think you're going along the correct path. And JJ, again, like I said, I appreciate this super creative approach, but it's a little hard for me to look at it in an assessing sort of way. Let me know if you have any questions.